Yes. Have you ever left something in an Uber? Turns out a lot of people have, and some of the items are pretty wild.
Well, this, according to the rideshare company's 9th annual Lost and Found Index. The most unique lost items lists includes a mannequin head with human hair.
That's where I left it.
A Viking drinking horn, Ghostbusters ghost trap, chainsaw, breast milk, a turtle, Ozempic,
Love
and
that.
10 live lobsters. And that was all in one ride. I want to party with them. The top 3 most common items left behind in an Uber in 2024. Phones, of course, wallets and keys in that order. For phones, a total of 1.7 million iPhones and Androids were left behind in their vehicles. The top food items include 175 hamburger sliders. That was after a night of drinking. The top luxury items included a gold Rolex and Air Jordans worth $1,800. Top 3 most forgetful cities in order: New York, Miami, and Chicago. And I'm so surprised that 1.7 million phones are left behind, because everybody has their phone in their hand.
Yeah.
And you're paying, tipping. How do they forget them? It's amazing.
I think it's just one of those things that, especially people who have been in this, haven't been in the city before.
Yeah.
They're just so nervous, and it just falls, and then they discover it about 10 paces outside the car, and the car's already gone.
Oh, that feeling right there. Listen, sporting events have all types of pregame entertainment, of course.
But what happens when they don't go according to plan? Well, check out what happened at a rugby match in France that left supporters stunned. He does not go down Fraser. This video captured a moment a French Air Force parachutist who was supposed to deliver the match ball veered to the side and ended up dangling with his parachute stuck on the roof. To show you how high the roof is, this is the view from directly underneath it. After 30 minutes, firemen intervened to rescue the man, who received an ovation from the crowd when safely back on the ground. So do you think while you're hanging there for all 30 minutes, you're kind of like, oh yeah, this is going to hold?
You hope. Good thing the parachute opened. At least there's that.
Yeah, it's like, can we get the fire brigade in here? And they're just like, ho, 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 I'll be right there. They're sitting there on the sidelines going, I think you'll be okay.
Pepe Le Pew, the parachutist.
Yes.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, an unexpected culprit behind some vandalism in a Massachusetts neighborhood left several people with car windows and their mirrors shattered.
They're worried a group of vandals were on the loose until discovering it was actually a woodpecker that was causing all the damage. And one expert says there is a simple explanation for the destructive behavior from the woodpeckers. The mating season and the competition is fierce.
Of course, they're not interested in any other males being around, so they will attack males and try to scare them away, get them to go away or go somewhere else. And this often, or can, include attacking mirror images of themselves, including windows and cars.
Unbelievable. Neighbors say Woody is still at large, but has recently found a little love, and they hope his new partner will teach him some new manners in the nest. And I have to share this. Yeah, my mom, she lives up in the Boston area, right? Annie, of course. When I'm on the phone with her, I kid you not, you can hear the woodpeckers in the springtime. Just last week, you'd hear them in the background.
Yeah, we have a lot of them around here, too. And luckily, they stay on the trees and not too many of the windows.
No.
Let's go get a baguette, and then we'll save the parachutist.
He's going to be speaking like a Frenchman for all 2 hours. So